Hello, I'm Ritvik Dave, your instructor for this course. This course is all about design of over and under voltage protection circuit. This design is important to learn because it's part of our day-to-day life. So let's learn with the introduction. So let's have a look what is over and under voltage. Every electrical equipment has a certain voltage range for smoother operation. If the voltage range goes beyond upper limit, then it is called over voltage, and if it goes below the lower limit, then it's called under voltage. So in this case, uh, the operating range of my refrigerator is 250 volt with the upper limit and 180 volt with the lower limit. So my refrigerator works fine between this range, or over voltage and the under voltage. These are also called voltage spikes or transient, which are undesirable because the voltage stresses may damage our electrical systems. For example, if I connect my refrigerator directly to AC mains of my house as shown in the picture, then the occurrence of the voltage spikes may damage my refrigerator. So this condition is very unsafe. So to protect my system from such hazards, I connect a circuit called voltage protection circuit. More specifically, it's an over and under voltage protection circuit. To ensure the smooth operation of my refrigerator, it is connected in the series as shown in the figure. In this course, we will learn how to design this voltage protection circuit. This will help you to protect your electrical appliances in your house. See you in the next lesson.